Hi everyone, in this video I am going to show one more example on set. This time instead of making set on integer, we make set of pairs. So let's say you have to store pair like 5 maps 1, 10 maps 1, 5 maps 3, 10 maps 5. When you put these pairs in set, you will obtain these pair in sorted form, and if repeated pair is present, it will remove this. So the output of these pairs will be, first it will compare the first element and then second element. So output that we will obtain is 5 maps 1, then 5 maps 3, then 10 maps 1, and then 10 maps 5. We can do various operations in set like insertion or removal of pairs. There are some various operations we will also do in set like lower bound and upper bound operations. So in lower bound, what we will do, if we have a pair like 5 maps 10 and we have to find the lower bound of this pair, so the lower bound will be strictly less than or equals to this pair. So lower bound is strictly less than and equals to this pair. So we obtain the output like as it is 5:10, 5 maps 10, or 5 maps 9, 5 maps 8, and so on, but it will be less. And in case of upper bound, we have a pair strictly greater than that pair. For example, we have a pair 5:20 and we have to find the upper bound of this pair. So the pair will be always 5:21, 5:22, 5:23, 6:20, and so on, but always strictly greater than that pair. So now we implement this on code. So let's see. Okay, so let's start the code. First declare the header hash include set. Now declare the set for pairs, that is set pair data type, that is int, int, and then name of the set, that is s. Then take input in integer n for the number of pairs, int n, c in n. Now traverse the loop for I equals to 0 to I equals to n and take the pairs for int I equals to 0 to I equals to n, I less than equals to less than n, and I plus plus. Take two integer x and y. First declare int x comma y, then take input c in x and y. Now put into the set by using insert function. Set s dot insert, call make pair function, and put x and y in this x comma y. Now we have to print the output. For this we use for each loop. So how we declare for each loop? For auto x, where x is behave as a iterator, and then use colon and name of the set, that is s. And for output, c out s dot x dot first for printing the first element, and then x dot second for the second element, and then change the line by using and addition. Okay, let's see the output. Let's compile it. Yeah, first take the input. Let's say we take 5 pairs. 1 maps 3, 4 maps 6, 7 maps 9, 8 maps 5, and 2 maps 5. So let's see the output. So output will be 1 maps 3, 2 maps 5, 4 maps 6, 7 maps 9, 8 maps 5, and in the shorted form. Now we take some more operations in this. Let's say we use insert function and the remove function. For the insert function we use s dot insert, call makePair function, and put the data like 9, 11. We also use erase function by using s dot erase, call makePair function, and remove, let's say, 4 maps 5. So let's run the code. Let's say we take 5 as input, put 5 pairs, let's say 4 maps 5, 6 maps 5, 9 maps 5, 1 maps 2, and 7 maps 8. So let's see the output. Let's say 1 maps 2, 6 maps 5, 7 maps 8, 9 maps 5, and 9 maps 11. So we see here 9 maps 11 will be added in the set and 4 maps 5 will be removed from the set. We also use upper bound and lower bound in this. Let's say we do the upper bound. For upper bound, what we will do, call first, take auto it, then call the upper bound function s dot upper bound, call makePair function, and put the data like 9 maps 5. For printing it, we here it act as a pointer. For this you have to print it, cout it arrow first for printing first element, then it arrow second for printing second element. So let's see the output. It's done. Let's say take 5 pair, 4 maps 5, 6 maps 5, 9 maps 4, 2 maps 3, and 7 maps 1. So let's see the output. So output will be 9 maps 11 for the upper bound, and the shorted form 2 maps 3, 6 maps 5, 7 maps 1, 9 maps 11. Here 4 maps 5 will be erased and 9 maps 11 will be added. So that's all for the today. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned.